Now, next method of preparation, it is nor-quinoline synthesis. This is the third method of preparation of quinoline. It is nor-quinoline synthesis. This is the third method of preparation or third synthesis of quinoline. Okay. Now, nor-quinoline synthesis involves the reaction between or the condensation between the aromatic amines as well as the beta ketoesters, and we get the cyclic structure. Finally, we get the derivative of the quinoline. In that aromatic amines, example is aniline reacted with beta ketoester, that is the ethyl acetoacetate. In the presence the temperature 100 degree centigrade, we get the condensed product, and the condensed product then ring closure reaction takes place, and finally we get the derivative of the quinoline, that is 2-hydroxy-4-methyl quinoline. Okay, this is the enol form, and it converted into its keto form by the keto-enol tautomerism. Okay, so first of all, look at the structure of the aniline. Aniline contains the amino group on the aromatic ring, and this amino group contains the nitrogen, also presence of the 2 hydrogen atom. Another, it is next structure, it is the ethyl acetoacetate. It is the beta ketoesters. Beta ketoesters means this carbon oxygen double bond, and this carbonyl carbon attached to this ester group. Okay, this whole structure, it is the ester group, and this carbonyl carbon attached to the adjacent carbon, it is called as the alpha carbon. This is alpha carbon, and this alpha carbon attached to another carbon, it is called as the beta carbon. Okay, so this is ethyl. This is acetoacetate. Okay, this is ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, why it is beta ketoester? This is alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. Beta carbon contains the ketonic group, that is R carbon oxygen double bond R. This structure, it is present into this beta carbon. So it is the beta keto, and this is ester group. So it is beta ketoester, or it is also called as the ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, so this aromatic amine reacted with beta ketoester, there is a condensation between them, temperature 100 degree centigrade. Now, first of all, there is a removal of this ethanol group. There is a removal of this ethanol group. First of all, this ester group contains OCH2H5. This oxygen, it is more electronegative. So after the breaking of this carbon oxygen bond, this oxygen takes lone pair of electron towards itself, so it will be access ethoxide ion, and it will be abstract one hydrogen from the amino group. So there is a formation of CH3CH2OH, that is the ethanol. Okay, after that, removal of this ethoxy group from this carbonyl carbon. This carbonyl carbon gets electron deficient and having positive charge. Now this hydrogen from the amino group, after the removing, it gives lone pair of electron towards the nitrogen. So this nitrogen having negative charge, so it will act as nucleophile, and it will be attack on electron deficient carbon atom, and there is a condensation between them. Nitrogen and carbonyl carbon attached to each other into the ring. After that, side by side, there is a removal of this ethanol molecules. Okay, so we get the condensed structure. Now into the condensed structure, here first of all, the benzene ring contains the hydrogen, and the carbonyl carbon contains oxygen. This oxygen and this hydrogen, also this alpha hydrogen atom from the alpha carbon, this one hydrogen, this another one hydrogen and oxygen, it will be removed as water molecules. Okay, after that, this hydrogen, after the removing, give lone pair of electron towards the benzene ring. So this carbon is electron rich. Okay, now after the removal of this oxygen, this carbon is electron deficient. So there is an attack of this ring carbon, negatively charged and electron rich, on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon, and there is a condensation in the ring closure reaction takes place. Okay, so here ring closure reaction takes place like this. Now another case, carbon oxygen double bond is present. This bond break, lone pair of electron shifted on this oxygen, so that this oxygen is electron rich. Now this oxygen will abstract this hydrogen from the nitro group. Okay, and this hydrogen give lone pair of electron towards the nitrogen. So this nitrogen electron rich and carbon electron deficient, so there is a formation of double bond. So here nitrogen carbon formation of double bond, and this OH, this oxygen bears hydrogen, so there is a formation of OH group. Okay. Now whole structure will contain, and there is a formation of the double bond between this carbon and this one carbon, nitrogen carbon double bond, and there is a formation of OH group. Now we get this structure. It is the derivative of quinoline, that is 2-hydroxy 4-methyl quinoline. That is 2-hydroxy means first number nitrogen, second carbon, third, fourth number here. So first number nitrogen, second number carbon having OH group, hydroxy group, and fourth number having methyl group. So it is 2-hydroxy 4-methyl quinoline. 2-hydroxy 4-methyl quinoline. There is a formation of this derivative of quinoline. Now look at this structure. It is the enol form because presence of the OH group, and it can be interconvertible to each other. It's another form, that is the keto form. So this phenomena, it is called as the quetamerism. Okay. Now in this reaction, the second number carbon double bond breaks lone pair of electron shifted on the nitrogen, so that this carbon is electron deficient, nitrogen is electron rich. In this case, this hydrogen from the OH group of the second number carbon, it will be abstracted by the nitrogen. Okay. After that, due to the deficiency of lone pair of electron on the second number carbon, there is a formation of double bond between this oxygen and this carbon. Oxygen carbon double bond takes place. Because of this, hydrogen give lone pair of electron towards oxygen, so we get the keto form. Okay, keto form, there is a presence of this ketonic group, carbon oxygen double bond along with the nitrogen and the carbon atom. So it is the converted into keto form. So this is about the nor-quinoline synthesis. This is the third number of method of preparation of quinoline. Now the next is fourth number. It is from indole and chloromethylene. The fourth method of preparation of quinoline, it is from indole and chloromethylene. Now next method of preparation of quinoline, that is the fourth number. It is from indole and chloromethylene. From indole and chloromethylene. Okay. So directly there is no formation of the chloromethylene. So we have to synthesize first of all the chloromethylene. The chloromethylene, it is having the structure like CHCl and having lone pair of electron and negative charge. This is the structure of chloromethylene. CHCl negative, it is the structure of the chloromethylene. Now this chloromethylene can be prepared first of all from dichloromethylene. Dichloromethylene means structure CH2Cl2. It is the dichloromethylene. Okay. Dichloromethylene first of all reacted with methyl lithium. Methyl lithium, it is used as a catalyst for the preparation of the chloromethylene. First of all, dichloromethylene reacted with the catalyst methyl lithium. Okay. Now look at in this structure, methyl lithium CH3Li. This is the structure of the methyl lithium. In that lithium, it is metal, so it acquires the positive charge, and this methyl group carbon acquires the negative charge. This is about the methyl lithium. There is a formation of the two charges, positive, negative on the carbon of methyl group, and lithium acquires the positive charge. Okay. Now into the next structure, that is the dichloromethylene. Dichloromethylene, CH2 group and Cl2 group is present. Cl means chlorine having negative charge, so it will be attract toward the lithium positive. So in this way we get the lithium chloride, LiCl. Now the next part, that is the CH2. CH2 contains the two hydrogens, methylene group. One hydrogen, it will be attracted toward the negatively charged methylene group. So we get the methane. CH3 becomes CH4. It is the formation of the methane. Now the remaining the lone pair of electron from this hydrogen, it will be takes towards the carbon atom. So this carbon will acquire the negative charge as well as the lone pair of electron. So acquire negative charge and the lone pair of electron. So it is called as the chloromethylene. This is the structure of the chloromethylene. Now there is here formation of the chloromethylene, and it will be react then with indole into the next step. Okay, this is the second step. Chloromethylene, this is the first step, and reaction with chloromethylene and indole, there is a second step. Okay, so let's see the second step. Into the second step, indole reacted with chloromethylene, and there is a removal of the one hydrogen gas as well as the methane molecules, and there is a formation of quinoline. First of all, indole contains the nitrogen and lone pair of electron. Also, there is a double bond between this second and the third number carbon atom. This double bond break, lone pair of electron shifted on this carbon atom. Okay, double bond break, lone pair of electron shifted on the third number carbon atom. So this carbon is electron rich. Now third number carbon having the hydrogen and second number carbon having the also hydrogen. Okay, now in the presence of the methyl lithium, one hydrogen will remove as proton and one hydrogen will remove as hydride ion, means H positive and H negative hydrogens. H positive hydrogen and H negative hydrogens. Okay, so H negative hydrogen when removed from second number carbon, so it takes lone pair of electron towards itself. So second number carbon is electron deficient now, and the third number carbon is electron rich. Okay, now in this condition we have the chloromethylene in that carbon having negative charge and one positive charge. Okay, so negative charge will be attached towards the electron deficient carbon atom, and positive charge part of the carbon, it is attached to the electron rich carbon. So there is a attachment and there is a condensation like this in this structure. Carbon attached to this third number as well as the second number, and here carbon attached to hydrogen and chlorine atom. So we get this cyclic structure or the condensed structure with chloromethylene. Now look at the nitrogen of the indole. It is having lone pair of electron after the removal of this hydrogen. Okay, this hydrogen, it may be attracted towards the methylene group. Okay, methylene group having negative charge, so it will attract this hydrogen from the nitrogen of the indole. So there is a formation of methane molecules, removal of the methyl molecules. Okay, along with the two hydrogens, one hydrogen gas molecules. Okay, now the remaining lithium, it will be attracted towards the nitrogen, because this hydrogen give lone pair of electron towards the nitrogen. So this nitrogen will attract this electron deficient or positively charged lithium towards itself. So this lithium will attach in this structure on the nitrogen. So we get this condensed structure. Okay, further there is a removal of this lithium and chlorine, and we get the quinoline. Okay, how it can form? First of all, this bond between this second and third number carbon, it will be break. This chlorine will remove and take lone pair of electron from this carbon atom towards itself. So this carbon will acquire positive charge, and side by side this nitrogen contains this lithium molecules. Lithium molecules attracted toward the chlorine molecules, and it gives lone pair of electron toward the nitrogen. So this nitrogen is electron rich. Now in this time, in this way, there is a cyclic reaction takes place. This carbon will goes inside the ring, and there is a formation of the 6-member pyridine ring along with the benzene ring like this, and removal of lithium chloride. So we get the quinoline. Okay, this is about the reactions from indole and chloromethylene. Okay, this is about the methods of preparations of quinoline. Now we will take another lecture. In that we will go for the chemical reactions of the quinoline. Okay.